everyone, welcome to Gonna Work. Okay everyone, it's me Varo, and it's been a long time since I hadn't made videos, but now I am going to make a video of making nature art. So now I am going to gather the things that I need for the nature art, and I have the list in my pocket like that. Just forget the list, and now let's just go. Okay, everyone, now I am going to take the leaves. Okay, everyone, so now let's take the leaves. Okay, let's put them in the bag. And one, and we can also see lots of animals at the nature, because that's where they live, in the nature. Take the flower. Wow, wow. Okay, Daddy, when now we are going to pick one of these long grass. Okay, everyone, so this is the long grasses. Well, that was hard.
Okay.
Everyone, let's take one of these little guys. I think we need to hurry a little because there's fire ants. Ouch! Oh, right. I hate them. Be careful, don't get too close, or not you'll get fire ants on you.
There you go.
These flowers looks good. For making nature art. Daddy, do you think we also need the leaves?
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, keep pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my son. Been waiting for you.
Okay. The flower. I think that's all it is.
It's okay. And
Daddy, can you hold this?
yeah, you can just bring all of them.
And we can plant them too. We got 2 plants that we can plant. Not only we can hunt for nature things, but we also can see the beauty of nature and the flowers, and also the animals.
Okay, enough.
2 more.
Okay.
Done. So this is the item. And we also, I think, found a spider bee. Let's just make it. Okay, everyone, so this is the item that we will need to make nature art. Okay, everyone, so this is the things that we need to make nature art. Okay, everyone. some lovely stuff like this little cutie. I also have another one of those, and this is plant. Looks so pretty, and that's just about. Okay, everyone. So now I am going to make the art like this. Let's put the leaves and let's start with the leaves. Yes, is here. And this is here. This is here. Flowers here. 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 And here. After that, we have some flowers. Oh yes. And the last part, the flower.
Three.
Okay everyone, so this is the result, and that is enough for today. Now you can also try like this at home, and you can find many resources at your home, and you can follow us. And if you need something like this, don't forget to send it to us. Take a picture and send it to us. Bye everyone, don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.